dinner, rosemary garlic chicken thighs.
Oh, thank you, baby. It looks delicious.
You're welcome. Tell me what you think.
I like the Brussels sprouts.
It's roasted with the chicken.
I can taste it. You know I love a little bit of green veggies in my meals. Look at that. So juicy. Why is the skin the best part? Is it just me, or is the skin the best part?
It is.
Look at that. Super juicy. That fully flavored skin.
It has lemon zest, rosemary, and garlic.
You can really taste the rosemary in there.
Yeah.
Good. I like it.
And then microwave brown rice.
Did you say microwave brown rice?
That's my
Instant.
shortcut.
I guess at some point it's okay to take at least one shortcut.
Yeah.
Best thing on the plate. Just kidding. These though, really like these Brussels sprouts. Good job, baby.
Thank you.
Nice meal. How long did it take you to make?
Like 30 minutes, probably.
So not bad then.
Yeah.
It's good. It's a pretty quick and easy meal.
And everything's one pan.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, baby. I give it 4 hubby stars.
Thank you.